This is the graduated set of platters in the Royal Doulton Wilton that I've been looking forward to showing you and videoing and listing. 11.5, 13.5 and I think 15.5 inch oval platters. Graduated set, display absolutely beautifully as you can see. Let's have a look over these and show you the individual platters. This is the smaller of the ones. Really nice clean surface. The glaze condition on these is really good. The gilt around the rims, again, really good retention for their age. They are dating from the 1940s and early 1950s, as you can see, with those rationing A coupon stamps in green from Royal Doulton. Lovely D6226 marks below that. Medium of the three platters, again, in fantastic condition. I really don't think these have had hardly any use at all. Very light knife marks across them, but otherwise the gilt on these is in absolutely superb condition. And the glaze, just look at that big one, a beautiful deep 15.5 inch serving platter with the Wilton design in lovely blocks of peripheral pattern decoration on the rims with lovely gilt retention again. A superb and rare set of graduated platters in Royal Doulton Wilton. Never seen another one on the open market for these three sizes altogether. We're going to sell these as a set. We want them to stay together. We have got a good catalogue currently of Royal Doulton Wilton in a variety of dinnerware, so do have a look through if this pattern takes your fancy, because it's not easy to find in really good condition, and these really are, so they're outstanding because of that. Thanks for watching.